Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
How? Why?
It's for fun. It's for the memes. It's for the memes, man. This here is Howie, which some of you might know from the Discord, but
It's appropriate.
this is a very important moment. This is so he picked this up. This is from IKEA. It's a mortar and pestle, and we're gonna attempt brewing coffee with a mortar and pestle. It's gonna take a year to grind.
It's an MP.
What
What will take longer, this or the wing long?
But for filter brewing, probably this, because a ling long, you just spin it.
Doing the mortar and pestle. You want some?
Why do you guys do this to me? You just like you show up and you bring the. This is the IKEA Adelstein.
Oh, we're going to mortar and pestle and put it in the puzzle dripper.
Okay, do we mortar and pestle this coffee? Honestly, this coffee is really good. Wow, it's like the most pink bourbon tasting pink bourbons. If some of that pink bourbon gets through here, that means this is the best MP.
That's it.
I'll do 12 since we're running a coffee event, so there's like a million different coffees that we already brewed. I think these beans are too light for us to mortar and pestle them.
What are you talking about, man?
We're mortar and pestling.
What are you doing to my beans?
No, this isn't your coffee.
Oh, he was about to attack you.
No, it's not your coffee.
How many clicks?
How many clicks? I don't know. I don't know how many clicks there are.
Forbidden empty. Think how many clicks.
Robert, how do we align these?
Yeah, I don't know how to. Well, like, how do you count retention on a mortar and pestle, right?
Well, you weigh 12 grams. We'll see.
I have 12. Yeah, we'll get 12 out.
You'd be surprised.
And like, how much force I'm pushing changes the grind distribution. This coffee smells amazing. This is like the aromatics on this. This is Aviary roasted by Christopher Farron. This is one of the strongest pink bourbons I've ever tasted. Like it is. If you think about pink bourbon, this is pink bourbon.
This
Hopefully,
is my favorite aviary.
Yeah, my favorite aviary as well. Hopefully, we do it justice with the mortar and pestle.
Brian, you can call it the world's first coffee pesto.
Dude, it smells so good.
This looks
Dude,
like it's
it
64
smells so
millimeter.
good. Fran will never sell me coffee after this, right? I'm just banned from. You can. This is like the most pink bourbon smelling coffee of all time. I'm never allowed to buy his coffee anymore. We're getting pretty fine.
This looks like it's got 64 millimeter, right? No.
Yeah. The grind distribution changes.
Are we going to stall the puzzle dripper?
Well, I don't know, because like some of it, I don't have like the best mortar and pestle technique, right? This influences the grind distribution. I think it's working.
Oh, now he's spinning it.
I don't know. I think that's how we're gonna get everything to be relatively distributed.
This is better than the flat max, I thought.
Better than the flat max? Half of it's good. All right, here we go. Puzzle dripper. 12 grams. Let's see how much coffee we get out.
Oh, this is a hobby, like home brewing, and I was like,
Maybe we make it a little finer.
The recipe, I brought recipes from my farm
You know, that looks pretty good.
because they were at 1,200 meters out.
Oh, this coffee smells so good.
20 degrees.
It is nice. So we can't screw up this coffee.
Oh no, they're so
But I was able to modify them and they were.
Dude, we got 12 out, right?
Holy crap.
Zero retention grinder. Zero retention grinder. I'm good. I'm enjoying myself.
Without seasoning. I mean, the grinder will try it straight.
The arm, I don't know, strain.
So we know this coffee. You're seeing different particle sizes. It's going to be a mix of everything.
When it competes,
Oh, that's so coarse.
when you see all the attributes, as you know, the aroma,
Dude, this smells really good.
for a long.
Possible to screw up.
Here.
It's beautifully coarse. Smells good. Give it some agitation.
Where's the tap?
Give it a tap. See, it doesn't stall at all due to the fines. We're still hitting. Like, this looks extracted. This looks extracted.
Is it actually working?
It's actually working.
It's working.
Do you like to taste some mortar and pestle pink Bourbon?
Anybody else want some more coffee?
That is honestly extracted. Okay, now I'm going to give people some of this to taste. Mortar and pestle pink Bourbon.
Why did that actually work?
It's sweet to the point that it's
It's like tea. It's like tea, yeah. It's not bad.
Come on.
Come to the camera like tea because it's
He didn't do it to your coffee. He didn't do it to your
They're gonna do it right now to my coffee.
Oh, they are.
It tastes like tea. Dude, it's not that bad. It's
Bad? No.
We're mortaring pestle Altieri.
That's what I mean.
It's
Oh,
fine
no.
because he's doing it.
Yeah, it's fine, yeah.
What am I doing?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I don't know.
We're brewing. We are about to brew.
What coffee are you about to?
I'm doing one of our geisha wash roasted by Bean and Bean.
Which lot?
It's a dilgo. I'm about to grind it using some sort of stone thing that I've never used before.
Mortar and pestle.
You got a ways to go.
I feel weird, people.
It smells great. You're getting the aromatics.
It really does smell good. Yeah. Good, right?
Oh, this is the pink Bourbon. It tastes good.
That's your technique.
Well, I have to make my own, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's turning out pretty good.
Yeah, it's honestly not bad. Gesha beans is gonna take a while. It smells so good though.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
How? Why?
It's for fun. It's for the memes. It's for the memes, man. You gotta... Not everything has clicks.
Oh no, this is definitely not a click.
That looks really good.
I'm telling you, man.
That looks really good.
Look.
You can totally brew with that.
Yeah.
See how expensive experiment.
This is crazy. I think it's pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm ready.
All right, let's brew it.
Wow.
I'm telling you. It's pretty good. There are a couple of cores in the middle. There you go. Hit. Here you go.
Be the perfect grind.
There you go. Yes. Okay, here.
Or do you want to pour it into the filter?
Yeah, I can do that too.
It'll probably be easier.
Yeah.
There you go.
You start there.
Jeez, there are huge rocks in there.
This was the best $20 ever spent, I'll tell you that. Wait, is this a case where the beans cost more than the grinder?
Yes, the
Yeah.
beans do cost more than the grinder.
No, it's actually doing pretty well. Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Actually.
They're doing pretty good.
And their brewer's cup.
Okay, 25, then 160, 80.
Is this a new YouTube trend? You don't think this could be a new YouTube trend? Mortar and pestle?
The color's looking good.
No, I'm telling you, it's gonna be really good. It has to be really good. The timing is perfect.
Somebody got the refractor on.
I hit the coffee to exactly 24 clicks. Look at that. This is a wonderful thing. Very unexpected. Now look at that. I need to finish in 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and look at this. I still have to 160. Look at this. It has to finish brewing by 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We're at 2:06. Look at this. It's amazing. Look at this.
Yeah, it'll.
You know, it'll be perfect.
It's,
This is unbelievable.
it's gonna taste better than any of the other grinders.
Right?
It was faster to brew than it was to grind.
Look at that. It's done. Look at this.
Nice.
Wow.
It smells good.
Smells great.
I lost my cup.
Can I smell it?
Yes.
Wow.
Absolutely. Yes. Love it. Where can I get one?
Yeah, it's 20.
Really?
Yeah.
Any kitchen store, it's not special. Nothing special, it's just something else.
Is it good?
Good.
Yeah.
Just a little. Yeah.
I want to try it.
You wouldn't be able to tell.
It's very round. There's no, we don't have like the acidity. It's not bad. You get like for what, for $20? All right, what do you think? This is your coffee.
It's not bad.
It's round and sweet.
Yeah, but I feel like I could have extracted more.
Yeah, you needed
From
to
the
spend
coffee.
a few more minutes grinding.
Yeah, I think a finer grind would have been a little better. That could relate to the time that we used this thing.
So
Remember, it says $20.
No, I know. For $20 is great.
This is a perfect camping grinder.
good value for money.
No, it's not great for camping. This is like 30 pounds.
Well, it'll hold your cooler closed so that the bears don't get your food.
Jeez, look at this. Would you carry that in your backpack?
I did. I carried it over here.
Really? Jeez.
That was the.
No, it was pretty good coffee. I mean,
Round two. We're gonna dial this over.
yeah, of course. When it's round two?
Kidding. That's